What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Welcome to the ReCoop. I'm your host, Cooper Daniels, and today is Monday, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It's echoey in here today. Some days are better than others. Pouring the coffee near the microphone. So what's up? We're dead again? No more pump for you. I haven't really looked. I just see the sentiment has changed. We had a little bounce back. Everyone was like, oh, full-on World War III isn't happening. Let's pump it. And then everyone was like, yeah, but last week it's all very obvious that inflation is pumping and crypto's pretty risky. Let's reject it. I don't know what to say, folks. I don't even know what the market's doing. All I know is you gotta keep on keeping on. That's it. There's my big inspirational speech for today. You know, I do want to say, though, I want this to be a more useful show than me just showing up whenever the hell I can and, ramble on, which is fun. And I think a lot of you enjoy the ramble on, and that's a good thing because I do have a lot of things to say. So that's positive. But I also want to see if I can help maybe a little bit more, maybe help during this time of uncertainty as the world is on a brink of, total disaster and war. It'd be cool if this show became a source of common sense and maybe putting things in perspective. So maybe I can corral this brain of mine and become more productive. I'd like to do that for you guys. But in the meantime, we're just gonna have to do this. I don't know if you're on Twitter, if you follow me at Coop_Daniels, but I just dropped a new character for the RWA token. His name is Rick Strong. He's the developer on the project. I don't know that will end up being the character, but it was the first crack at a character. Oh, this is what I need. This is what I need, folks. How are we doing? Is anybody in the chat? How are you guys doing? Yeah, none of you guys are here. Oh, no, here you are. Greetings from Maine. What's up? Greetings to you. Jeffrey, thanks for showing up at 2:19 in the afternoon. Never been to Maine. I want to go. No Face, Koopy Doopy. Nice to catch you on. What's up, No Face? Nice to see you. Bento Grizz, Coop. What's up? What's up, Bento? Living. That's it. Ryan McDonald is living in the USA. Good for you, man. Coop in bio. Bento Grizz has got Coop in his bio. Coop Coin is for the gains and the things that you're going to get. It's a freedom machine. Pickle Rick. Hello, Plinio. Nice to see you, man. There we go. That's it. Those are the people in the chat. Today's a late start, so people don't typically expect the show at 11:15. It's supposed to start at or 2:15. It's supposed to start at 1. So that's a bit of a problem for people. Hello. Yeah. All right. So let's just move on. I want to actually catch up on the news. I've been focusing on Twitter stuff, and I did, like I just said, recorded that video and posted it online. You can watch it on my Twitter account, my X account, if you feel it in your bones. Otherwise, just let's hang out right now and let's just go look and see what's going on in the world. That's always a fun thing, right? Let's do it. I'm going to share my screen and then I'm going to go to CNBC first. We'll see what the mainstream media has to say. Let's go to the main story here. Oh yeah. So the market started out hot, but now it's back down to reality. All right. So let's make sure we're sharing the screen though. Okay, so we got red. When I woke up this morning, it was green. The moment I woke up, or the futures were certainly green. I don't know that I saw it after the market opened. Doesn't matter. We're here now. Okay, so the Dow is down over 0.5%, over 200 points. The S&P 500 is also down over 1%. Is down over 1%, over 50 points. And the NASDAQ is underperforming them all, down 250 points. And the Russ is also doing poorly. All right, there you go. We'll check gold here. Gold is pumping up to almost 2,400. Pretty great. Silver is up to about 29. And that's that game. And we'll save crypto for other sites. You guys can see all this shit, right? Yep. Dow falls 200 points as yields jump. Traders await Israel's response to Iran. I think the United States has made it clear that they will not join in on any attack towards Iran. It's all very dicey, but this too shall pass. Tesla will lay off more than 10% of global workforce. Trump media shares plunge more than 15% after a company files to issue additional DJT stock. I mean, that is a wood chipper, folks. Get the fuck out of that. Holy shit. It's down to 26.75. I told you. Look at the 10-year, by the way, up 3%. I told you guys when this was at $67, the most certain way for you to lose money is to invest in this thing. There's no politics. I don't even care about the politics. I'm just telling you. Truth Social doesn't make any money. There's nobody really using it. And a man that is in desperate need of money owns most of it. Bring yourself back to reality. Would probably be the right thing to do. How is Reddit doing, by the way? Did you guys do your taxes? I'm actually curious about Reddit. Okay, so Tesla is definitely going down 5%. Goldman Sachs, I think, gave a decent report. Do you guys hold a lot of China stocks? Don't do that right now in the States. Okay, so it looks like gold firms as dollar and yields firm up after U.S. retail sales data. Okay, so there's some retail sales data today is what we're learning here. Gold prices slightly rose on Monday as the dollar and treasury yields gained following a higher than expected uptick in U.S. retail sales in March, feeding apprehensions that the Federal Reserve could delay cutting interest rates this year. Yeah, that's exactly what's going to happen, which is interesting because cutting interest rates should actually send gold up. I don't think gold's rally is over by any means, as market expectations of rate cuts is still there. The market is now pricing in fewer than 25 basis points by year end. Gold prices hit a record high of 2,431, while gold is knocking on the door of 2,500. I wish I had put more money where my mouth was. I felt the urge. I was like, oh, fucking golden oil, man. Golden oil. I even created a stupid meme coin. Stupid, don't say that. Don't say that. I even created a transcendent meme coin to represent that. The latest run up in gold had to do with geopolitics. However, in the near term, gold prices could fall towards 2,200 as the geopolitical premiums get washed out. Well, that's fine. It is unlikely that will be a wholesale reversal to net selling in the near term, despite the record gold price. The central bank buying tends to be strategic and insensitive to the price. All right, so gold's doing well. Retail sales did not give the indication that the Fed can loosen anytime, ease anytime soon. Signs of inflation are popping up everywhere I look. What kind of fun things can we read here? World leaders call for calm and an utmost degree of restraint in the aftermath of Iran's large-scale air attack on Israel. Iran's attack, which involved the launch of more than 300 drones and missiles against military targets in Israel, has ratcheted up fears of a spillover conflict in the region, already grappling with the ongoing Israeli-Hamas war. All right, you guys already read all. You guys know about all that bullshit. All right. It's not bullshit to the people it affects. That's for damn sure. The Kremlin warns that escalation in the Middle East is in nobody's best interest. Hear, hear. All right. We're here on Bloomberg now. Iran nuclear monitor still operating amid Israel retaliation threats. Fed hiking rates to 6.5% is a real risk. I mean, here you go. If you wanted to see a market crash, if the headlines continue to look like this, that's how you get a market crash. EU goes on a China trade offensive after getting played for years. Yeah. China has been playing the West for a long time. I mean, hey, man, you do what you can do, right? All right. Let's look at CoinDesk. Yeah, markets aren't good. We're back. We're not back. We're back to what we were just back at. But now you're back down here testing low 60s. Ethereum's back now, seeing if it wants to get below 3, you know. So here we go, folks. Let's go to the, oh, wait. Yeah. Okay. Uh-oh. My computer's going to die and I don't have my charger. This might be a short show. Let's get some going. Ether altcoins remain under pressure following volatile weekend. Okay, this is not even. Shit, I didn't even bring my charger down here. Damn it. It's Monday. It's all good. We'll be back tomorrow. But let's see what we can get in here. Oh, fuck you, Phantom. Done. Potential movement on stablecoin legislation following talks with Senator Schumer. Stablecoin legislation could be feasible this summer or in the session. Okay, well, I definitely want to look into that. Railgun price jumps 123%. All right, let's just dive into, I mean, maybe I should look at that one. Should we go to Decrypt real quick? This Bitcoin miner just realized an 87 million % gain on 14-year-old Bitcoin. Oops. Norway threatens Bitcoin mining industry with new data center law. Satoshi era Bitcoin worth millions just moved after 4 years of inactivity. So I guess that's what we were talking about up there. A little Bitcoin in the midst of gold. The old school Bitcoin holders are at it again with just days before long-awaited halving event. A wallet holding a chunk of the mined cryptocurrency from back when synonymous creator Satoshi was still active finally moved its stash for the first time in 14 years. On-chain data shows that the wallet moved 50 BTC, today worth 3.2 million. A large part of it went to a Coinbase address. Blockchain Sleuths on Twitter said that the address was a miner who'd minted the new coins back in 2010 on April 22nd. Since then, the BTC had sat still in a wallet and not moved until today. The on-chain data shows that the 50 BTC arrived in the wallet as a block reward when Bitcoin was trading for mere pennies or less, meaning that the miner has only made dramatic gains in the time since. Miners are rewarded for minting coins. This particular address would have received the 50 new coins when Bitcoin was in its earliest days. In 2010, Bitcoin mostly traded for less than 10 cents per coin, but hit a high at the end of the year of 30 cents. CoinMarketCap's earliest data, meanwhile, shows a price above 7 cents in July 20. It was likely worth less back in April of that year, but even at that July mark, this wallet's holding would appreciate by a lot of percent. Interesting. Well, so there you go. Makes sense to take profit when you've got 87 million % gain. All right, let's go to CoinMarketCap before we lose charge, because I'm not going to go upstairs right now. Got to refresh. No longer. All right, so Bitcoin is at 63.5. down almost 12% on the week, 1.5% in 24 hours, and over 0.5% in the last hour. Ethereum is slightly up in the last 24 hours, but obviously pressured down 16%, underperforming Bitcoin. Volume is okay, especially for a Monday. Sol has more crashing to do. XRP is still below 50 cents. Altcoins aren't totally collapsing like they did the last time over the weekend. Avalanche is at $30. Polkadot is at 50. There's been a big correction in the market, folks. Aptos down 36% in the last 7 days. Stacks on stacks on stacks, hanging out at 250. Render doing okay. Dog with hat number 42. Big crashing there, but that's to be expected. There's going to be volatility in meme coins for sure. Thorchain down to almost $5, down 34% in the last 7 days. Sui down 32% in the last 7 days, down 3% in the last hour. It's heading down. We saw that sub $1 recently. What do you guys think of Sui? This feels to me like early Algorand, but not a lot circulating. So there's a lot of token emissions to happen in the Sui world. Algo number 62, sub 17 cents, down 31%, and down 3% in the last 24 hours, 1.5% in the last hour. Algo's down. Algo's down the market cap rankings. Wormhole, talk about an airdrop, down 62 cents. Hope you didn't FOMO into that thing. Tezos. Do you guys like that thing? It's at $98. I remember when it used to hang out around $1 and then it really collapsed, but hanging out at $1 in these markets, that's good. Yeah, there you go. Go get them, Tezos. All right. Let's go to Vestige. All right. Nico pumping. Cabal down 4 cents. I built our 4%. Cabal just sent me some tokens. They put a funny video that I saw in the DMs, and I think they just posted it. I'll like that and share it. Hey, man, have fun, folks. Let's have fun. Nico up. Hey, the hooker's up. How you doing, hooker? Let's see. Look at you. Up 10% in the last 24 hours. Somebody tried. Hey, I'd like to say thank you for your attempt, somebody. And then you people just sell it off. Look, we're in algos now. You guys like that? I got some criticism. How's it doing against the dollar? Same shit. You can stay in algos. It's more fun that way. Coop. Oh, shoot. You thought you faded Coop, but Coop's right there. Sorry. Coop coin at 0.851. It's in the green across the board. And it is got over a million algo TVL and almost 4 million algo market cap. Pretty good volume. Nico also being a little studly. Akita Inu. Hey, Akita, maybe we want to partner up with RWA. You interested? Dog, bad dog, good dog. There's probably a narrative there to have fun with. You got the tech. I've got the dog flipping off. Come on, let's go. Orange is down 8%. Barbara is up 24. In the last 24 hours is up 17.5%. Let's go, Barbie. Bumgarner's in the green. Don't fade the bum. That's 5% in the last 24 hours. Don't fade the bum. That's what they should be saying. Hello, Ryan McDonald says, I'm thinking about buying Coinbase stock because everyone is betting on the base ecosystem. Believe me, I think there could be worse plays. I own some Coinbase stock. I don't know how I don't know how that all syncs up, but you would think if base continues to dominate that, yeah, Coinbase will continue to dominate. I mean, it's hard right now. Like I just not really into the idea of buying Aerodrome at these prices. I should have fucking bought it when it. Yeah, sometimes you got to pull the trigger, folks, when your instincts tell you to. When your instincts tell you to. But Aerodrome is a miss. I definitely have some well, and that is yet to pump a lot. So we'll see how that goes. But my well that I've been holding for a long time on Moonbeam is definitely when I go check on it every so often. I'm like, oh shit. There, good decision. Thank you. So if it does anything like Aerodrome, this is going to be it'll be a great decision. Nociendo, what's up? Greetings from Barcelona. Well, nice to see you. Are you going to be there for the Algorand event? You don't have to be, but you could be. I'm about to lose you guys. BCN Algo, let's go. Let's go. Hey, GG, what's going on? Let's go to Twitter real quick before this thing just dies on me. Tiny Man, Tiny Man, giving you their rewards. I believe we're going to get a tiny token in Q3. Coop doesn't have a burn wallet, although I did burn 1,000 once using Vestige Burn Vault. Stango is a G. He's been in the Coop community since the beginning. A lot of the Coop community locked up their Coop in the very beginning of that project and then allowed everybody to dump on them when they couldn't do anything. And then it came out stronger and is one of the most resilient crypto projects. ASAs, community projects on Algorand. So maybe a little bit of belief and a little bit of stupidity goes a long way. Retweet if you believe. Algo 200. Man, it's a hard sell, folks. It's a hard sell. I know that they got candles and they're meditating and they're trying to conjure this to happen. And I think it's a valid effort. It just feels unlikely. $45 for her? I don't think she looks 45. Now we're just strolling Twitter until my phone dies. Ooh, that looks fun. I want that. Look what a yielding quest Algo blessed me with. A 1-2 combo of Doofy wins shoes, now shoes, Shramp, Shoey, and a rad worms Algo friend. Oh man, I hope I get some of that. I got to go to my quests. You guys, look, I know that NFTs don't really have the shine, but are you guys fucking around with Mingo still? Like, would you guys wake the hell up and continue to quest and have fun? You can go on that site and just see what this dude is building. Like, we need a regroup in this community. We need to pause, stop yelling at each other, and remind ourselves who are the people that through the ups and downs continue to be committed to Algorand. Because if you don't think that Yieldling could be successful on almost any other ecosystem, I think you're crazy. Dude is incredible. And that project is incredible. The art is incredible. The innovation is incredible. Fucking love that project, even though NFTs aren't really cool right now. The fuck? Why did she die from that? What a beautiful notification to receive after you've just wiped the whole lobby. There you go, pigeons. 1420 RWA. Let's go, man. That's the idea. Do you guys understand the damn idea? The idea was to inject RWA into as many wallets as possible, have it be an incentive for everybody, have some fucking fun, make sure once again that the creator isn't sitting there looming. You have to worry about what the creator is going to do. You got to now worry about people that actually risked some capital in order to make this succeed, or it doesn't succeed and it's just a fun token that gets passed around, whatever you guys want. But don't you understand that this is supposed to inject fun instead of it being this thing where you guys feel like it's threatening your bags? Like, wake up, use the fun. I'm not doing this for me. I am, I guess, because I want to make videos. Let me have fun and help, because I can't do this shit by myself. I am not your pump dude. I'm not the dude creating a meme coin and going to sit there and manipulate the price. That's not what's going to happen. I wouldn't dare do that. That seems very risky. I haven't been sharing this the entire damn time. God damn it. Oh boy. All right, MESSINA ONE. Part of the journey is the end. Storytellers know it, and so do we. Minting my mALGO is now closed, but our adventure in Algorand liquid governance is far from over. Get ready for the next chapter. There you go. Sounds like mALGO isn't going anywhere. They're going to pivot. They're going to get stronger, and they're probably going to run some nodes. And then the playing field will even out, and we all continue. Let's cheers to that. Better than wrestling. There we go. Weird flex. A consistent supporter of the show. Love you, man. It's the savings account billions of people around the world need most. This is the major narrative for Bitcoin at this point, is that it's going to buy you more for less of it over time. And it is the best savings account that you can do. And it's the one that the world needs the most. I can buy into that. She's doing a good job. She came on the show. She was kind enough to come on the show. She's local in Los Angeles. And she just interviewed a comic, Nikki Glazer. So good for her. Nice to see people shine bright and grow. Do you guys want to read a cry post? I love when people criticize you on your post and cry when you push back. They're the only ones who can have opinions on things, especially when it comes to other chains, LO. No, I have no idea what you're talking about, but I have seen it happen time and time again over the past few months. They're losing the narrative. Hang in there. Just be yourself. I'm fine. And I welcome criticism and feedback. I'm just saying, don't expect me to not push back if I disagree. Good for you, dude. I thought there was going to be more. All right. Well, we did it. We resorted to just reading my Twitter feed, but some days you just need to. I did post this. There's a lot of talk about criticism and all this crap, and I posted this. Criticism makes you stronger. I believe that. I've essentially been right the entire time, but so many got mad at me. Why is Coop so negative? Not negative. I'm concerned. Even though most people agreed with me in the shadows, they stayed silent to keep their jobs or not funding or whatever. It would be cool to see some change, but I also realize I have zero influence on that. I'll focus on what I control. I mean, this is a bit inside baseball, but those of you that have been following closely and are in the Algorand community know what I'm talking about. But nothing but love, folks. Ladies love country boys. It seems like some of you guys are having some fun. I like where it's headed. Oh, thanks, man. That's nice. And then I commented on this guy's post. Never show sold to your normie friends. Guess they can't handle the price. Hey, I appreciate you reaching out and telling me to buy Solana at 184. It will absolutely reach all-time highs again, but it's now way lower, asshole. This has cost me a fortune. Not sure why you claim so many things or why the hell you think you are, but you're costing me and my family money. Lose my number indefinitely. And then I was like, why the hell would you tell someone unprovoked to buy Sol at 184? What a dick move. You better have been bothering them since $10. I agree with myself. A Solana's dev journey into Algorand. Sol Algo. Fucking vomit emoji. This guy's an Azure tax segment. Okay. I keep on wanting to check my inbox because I forget that I'm online. All right, folks. Hey, love you guys. I think. Hope you had fun. Let's get messy. Okay, let's hear what you got. Watching Coop read for 10 minutes. LOL. Oh, man. Terrible. Stroking the stash. Forgets charger cable. Haha. Can you guys see that I'm on the verge here? I'm on a fine wire, but I refuse to quit. I won't quit. I'll keep on showing up, whether it's for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, without my charger, without sharing my screen. I will keep showing the fuck up. And I'll make videos about meme coins, fictional characters. I'm going to keep doing this shit. And I'm going to keep on looking and growing my knowledge on other ecosystems. And I'm going to keep on throwing money into this goddamn fire pit with you fucking people. Do you understand? I will burn money with you people in order to grow my status. I don't know what's the word. Anyone think I'd love to read a cry post expecting Coop to realize he wasn't sharing screen? The reader. Coop, I just hope one day you will speak to 10,000 people. I hope so too, Frank. Coop, I don't stay in the shadows. I'm there with you. Let's get messy. Let's get messy, Chris. Let's mud wrestle for the fans. Extend outside to Algo, and you will see if your viewers increase. I'm going to. Cheerio, Coop. Love you, no face. Thanks for showing back up. See you, Coop. Have a good one. You too, Gov. We can see in full screen. Yes, you can. Algo to 200 is not burning. It's creating stupid USD.